sinkhole in an alleyway in Denver, right where the main sewer connects to the homeowner's sewer. We're gonna find out if it's from the homeowner's connection or from the sewer, from the city's side connection. Cameraing the sewer in the backyard, we found out that it is on the homeowner's side. We can tell that they did a spot repair of PVC in the yard behind that fence there. They did the spot repair before the sale of the house about 1.5 years ago. We can tell that it was a faulty backfill because of these saw marks here. You can see the saw marks are perfectly flat cuts. So all this old asphalt broke away from where they repacked it. So we know that it was a faulty backfill job. So that's that. We're gonna get back to the homeowner, tell him what we found, and let the city know, and they'll get to the bottom of it.